Welcome to our fragrance facility. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how perfume is produced, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
The mixing ratio on line 3 is fluctuating.
Are we stabilizing the temperature input?
I just adjusted the flow rate. The temperature spike should normalize now.
Each fragrance begins with a precise balance of careful selected aromatic ingredients.
Each batch is refined, filtered, and tested to ensure purity and consistency.
Every bottle is carefully inspected before leaving the facility.
And that's how perfume is produced, glitzer-based, the routine, from start to finish.